Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying essentials. You have Outlook access and the right Jira permissions. Install the Jira Cloud for Outlook add-in or ensure Jira's incoming mail handler is enabled. This is why attachments flow correctly. Open the email you want to attach, and if you already have a ticket, copy the issue key. If not, create a minimal issue in the target project. Once done, you're ready to connect Outlook to the specific Jira issue for the attachment step. You now use the Outlook add-in to perform the attachment. Open the add-in pane and sign into Jira. This authenticates you and links accounts, which is why signing in matters. Search for the issue key or paste it directly, then confirm the target project and issue type so the email lands in the correct place. Click Attach Email or drag the message and any files into the add-in. Make sure to include a short comment explaining context, because contextual text helps assignees triage faster. You finish by confirming the email and files appear in the Jira Issues Activity or Attachment section. Check the comment you added reads clearly. If you use the incoming mail handler instead, ensure the mailbox forwarded correctly and parsing rules mapped sender and subject. If something fails, first check file size limits, blocked file types, and that the add-in or mail handler is authenticated with proper permissions. This is the key troubleshooting tip. Finally, retry a small file to isolate where the break occurs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.